After seeing this video, you will never sell your SHIB tokens again. Shiba Inu is perhaps one of the most followed cryptocurrencies globally, as the well-known meme coin had an incredible 45 million% increase in value in 2021. But ever since, Shiba has made mistakes. After falling 70% so far this year, investors are wondering whether it can ever regain its former vigor. Shiba Inu is expected to provide more now than it did when its profits were at their peak. The cryptocurrency is developing a Layer 2 scaling solution and making progress in the metaverse. We'll discuss in this video why, after seeing it, you won't ever sell your SHIB tokens. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu was founded as an experiment in centralized spontaneous community creation, according to its white paper, and it has achieved that aim so far. The SHIB Army, a collection of backers, has unified behind the token on social media and significantly contributed to its growth. This coin is based on the Ethereum network. Shiba Inu may be used as payment at a select few retailers, as an investment, or as a means of generating passive income via token staking. Shiba Inu is headed toward becoming a more potent cryptocurrency than it once was. It is creating Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution. Although the developers haven't announced a launch date yet, Layer 2 could result in faster transactions and cheaper prices. It's a huge benefit for users. Additionally, Shiba Inu has been creating a metaverse. This offers property lots for sale with the intention of creating a whole online community. Shiba Inu will eventually list over 100,000 lots for sale. Approximately 32,000 plots have been made available so far in the first phase. Shiba Inu is going to be a more formidable competitor than it was in 2021, when it made significant advances once Shibarium and the Metaverse project are operational. But Shiba Inus are not aided by even these programs. There doesn't seem to be a good justification for Shiba Inus to rise in value because they stand out from the pack. The $549 trillion worth of Shiba Inu tokens that are in use provide an even greater issue. Thus, Shiba Inu's market worth would skyrocket to $1 if it were to rise from its current fraction of a cent level to $549 trillion. That surpasses both reliable corporations like Apple and the whole cryptocurrency industry. Not even Shiba Inu's burn attempts will solve this issue. No clear agreement has been achieved despite several specialists' attempts to explain the Shiba Inu's amazing development and ascent to renown. Some people think Shiba Inu's blockchain technology outperformed those of its rivals, providing quicker transaction speeds and higher levels of security. Some speculate that it was the initial excitement about meme coins, but in the end, it's impossible to pinpoint why this cryptocurrency achieved such remarkable success. All that is known is that Shiba Inu had a brief but amazing run during which it caused waves, and even after its unavoidable destruction, its legacy will endure. In 2023, Shiba Inu has shown consistent sell-offs, which is consistent with the overall trend of the digital asset market. The SHIB community continued to wager that the token will close the year strongly, even in the absence of any indications of a potential bullish trigger in the near future. By December 31, 2023, the SHIB community on CoinMarketCap projects that the token's average value will reach $0.11, which would represent gains of 17.53% over the asset's worth at the time of posting. Based on votes cast by 2924 users who used the price estimate tool, the estimations were created, according to information Finbold obtained on October 12. Interestingly, community members wager matches SHIB's growing holder base, suggesting that investors continue to expect the token will rise and maybe reach 2021 highs. The number of holders of SHIB has steadily increased in this line. As of October 11, the amount stood at 1,243,497. The holders show a 3% increase, or 37,225, over the previous 3 months. The technical analysis of SHIB is still pessimistic. The decentralized finance token is now experiencing the liquidity bottleneck on the FTX cryptocurrency market. In fact, a technical line summary would sell at 14, moving averages suggest a strong sell at 13, and oscillators on the daily gauges are neutral at 9. Meanwhile, Shib has continued to lose money over the last week, closing at $0.96 after falling more than 23% over the previous 7 days. Less than 1% has been gained by the asset. It's important to remember that Elon Musk's purchase of the massive social media platform Twitter provided some respite for Shib lately. Notably, Musk's acquisition of Twitter served as a brief spurt for cryptocurrencies with a dark motive, such as Dogecoin and Shib. Shib seems to be a favorite with traders. For example, it was discovered that almost 20% of the $2.9 billion in assets kept in the reserves of the cryptocurrency market, Crypto.com, is made up of Shib. Notably, the platform made the data public in the midst of growing demand on cryptocurrency companies to provide evidence of reserves over FTX's liquidity crisis. The price trajectory of the whole cryptocurrency market will have a significant impact on Shib's possibilities for strong increases. Amidst the turbulence in the cryptocurrency market, wealthy Shiba Inu investors are shifting hundreds of billions of tokens. The Shiba Inu burn project Shiba Play claims that cryptocurrency whales moved $877 billion, or $7.8 million, in a sequence of transactions using data from the Ethereum analytics portal Etherscan. On October 2nd, at a high of $0.13, the 14th biggest cryptocurrency asset by market capitalization saw its first transfer of $202,438,224,930 SHIB. October 6th witnessed the second transaction, a $190 billion transfer to crypto exchange Crypto.com, which also saw the digital currency hit an intraday high of $0.13. The third and biggest of the 3 transactions was started by wallets from cryptocurrency market Binance on October 7th, when SHIB was trading at an intraday high of $0.12. Of the tokens, 485,794,498.147 were transferred by the whale to one of its wallets. Since then, Shiba Inu has faltered in tandem with the general decline in cryptocurrency markets. SHIB's price has dropped by 12.73% in the last day to $0.100. A large portion of the market decline has been accompanied by issues at cryptocurrency exchange FTX, which recently entered into a provisional deal with Binance for the exchange to purchase FTX.com. On the announcement of FTX liquidity concerns, the FTX token has lost more than 68% of its all-time high, while the native token of the exchange is now trading for $4.79, 93% less than its all-time high. As they unveiled the SHIBASWAP decentralized exchange, creators presented a number of tokens, including the Bone token, Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, and Shiboshi non-fungible tokens. As several exchanges listed the governance token in August, Bone's price experienced significant growth. However, as of September 31, 2023, it had corrected and was down 14% from the previous month. In July 2021, the creators of Shiba Inu introduced the SHIBASWAP decentralized exchange, giving members of the SHIB army a way to swap their SHIB tokens for other cryptocurrencies. As a fork from the SushiSwap DEX, SHIBASWAP was developed with native tokens and an alternative fee and incentive structure. SushiSwap and SHIBASWAP use tokens based on the ERC20 standard and operate on the Ethereum network. In order to facilitate user voting on ideas for the project's future growth, such as which pairings should be introduced to SHIBASWAP via the Doggy Decentralized Autonomous Organization, Bone was developed as the governance token for SHIBASWAP. A user's vote has more power over the result the more Bone tokens they own. A maximum of 250 million Bone SHIBASWAP tokens are available, and they are created to reward customers that support SHIBASWAP exchange pairings with liquidity. Based on statistics from CoinMarketCap, There are now 6.97 million Bone tokens in circulation out of a total supply of 2,299 million. The 250 million maximum supply was intended to sit between the considerably smaller leash token quantity and the enormous 500 trillion SHIB token supply. Similar to an algorithmic stablecoin, the Doge Killer was first introduced as a rebase token that used an algorithm to automatically raise and reduce supply in order to maintain its price relative to another asset. Leash has a restricted total quantity of 107,646 tokens. The Shiba Inu website states that Leash is the second token on SHIBASWAP with incentives, and that holders who maintain its liquidity would get substantial rewards. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to see our most recent videos.